In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by launching settings and tapping on sound and vibration right away. Then you can tap on vibrations at the top to mute your tablet completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also scroll down, tap on vibration and haptics, and adjust all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to them to enable or disable haptic feedback. Go back again, scroll down and click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!